Yo, what's up, people? This is Remington Steel, and I'm bringing you in the lab with me just for a minute or two. I wanted to show you something about how to get your snares to pop, and come to the front. All right, so for the purpose of this, I used a stock snare drum in Reason. All right, and when I brought it over here to Pro Tools, what I did was use an 1176 style compressor. And okay, it's in bypass now, so I'm just gonna play the snare for you, and then I'm gonna let the compressor do its thing. All right, so peep the difference. All right, that's dry, and I'm getting ready to take it off bypass. Check it. All right. Bypass right now. All right, and this is with the compressor. Without. With. All right, so you get the picture. And I do have it in all buttons in mode, which is the button right here at the bottom. All right, one love.